Okay, this is DMR over elapsed time and linear versus non-linear, other than the fact it looks like we've switched in the middle of it to order of operations, which won't be on the quiz, but is always good to practice. So we're going to look at this one first. I'll make it bigger. You make sure you have copied the key concept, but I'm not going to use our time to do that right now. So how much time is there between 4 o'clock and 10 o'clock? So I'm going to count up 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, I did that wrong because I can't count that first one. My bad. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. But then we have to go to 10:55. So this needs an additional 55 minutes. So our final answer is 6 hours, 55 minutes. Let's see if I can type this. I know that I can count up the hours. Well, that's awful. The hours to the next time, then count the minutes to the final time. I'm going to see if I can do some moving around so that you'll be able to see everything at one time, and you can push pause. So there you go. If you need to push pause, please do so. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to number 2 at the bottom. So we're going to simplify the order of operations. Again, I have no idea how this ended up here, but we're going to stick with it. So I have to start with within the parentheses. 0.7, that's 70 cents, minus 90 cents. We have to use those subtraction rules. Will be negative 2/10. I'm bringing down the other ones. Okay, now I need to do the subtraction, so I need to do this part. That's negative 2/10 minus 1 more, so I get negative 1 2/10. Well, that's an interesting situation. So this is kind of going to be a gross number. It's going to end up being long division. So this is 0.8 divided by 1.2. I'm going to move this decimal point over 1 and this decimal point over 1, and then probably rewrite it because my brain needs that. So 12 goes into 8. That's all I did. I moved the decimal place in both places. So 12 does not go into 8 at all. I need to see how many times 12 can go into 80. Not 7. So 6. It can go into it 6 times. And that will be, I do not know because I'm being distracted. So we'll come back and get the second half of this later because I can't hit pause.